welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit caramel filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to 0.10. Contrast to -7. Highlights to -100. Shadows to -9. Whites to -62. And blacks to 16. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 18. Tint to -12. Vibrance to -45. And saturation to 18. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 72. Saturation to 5. And blending to 100. For highlights, hue to 65. And saturation to 5. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 27. Saturation to -30. And luminance to 28. For orange, hue to -10. Saturation to -7. And luminance to 19. For yellow, hue to -47. Saturation to -41. And luminance to 22. For green, hue to -100. Saturation to -80. And luminance to 43. For aqua, hue to -12. Saturation to -75. and luminance to 61. For blue, hue to -69. Saturation to -77. And luminance to 58. For purple, hue to 30. Saturation to -100. And luminance to 21. For pink, saturation to -100. And luminance to -15. Next, go to Effects. Texture to -10. Clarity to 17. Vignette to -14. Midpoint to 22. Feather to 71. And roundness to 18. Next, go to Detail. Sharpening to 40. Radius to 1.20. Masking to 25. Noise reduction to 40. Contrast to 10. And color noise reduction to 25. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Remove Chromatic Aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.